Hello everyone, I am Shivani and welcome to Civil Series. Things done with the precision is always important, and for that more content, I come with the third conceptual lecture. And this conceptual lecture will be published twice a week on Wednesday and Sunday. So let's start with the question. So this is the one of question related to earth pressure, and the question is a vertical cut is to be made in a soil mass having cohesion C, angle of internal friction phi, and unit weight is gamma. Considering Ka as a coefficient of earth pressure and the maximum depth of unsupported excavation is. Here they directly ask about the maximum depth of unsupported excavation, and this is the formula. Four options are given and the last option is the formula for the maximum depth of unsupported excavation. So maximum depth of unsupported excavation HC is equals to 4C by gamma square root of K. But is it enough? This question and answer, is it enough for your exam? No. So for that you know about the each and every concept related to earth pressure. So we'll see it one by one. So this is the coefficient of earth pressure represented by K, and K is the ratio of horizontal pressure to vertical pressure. In case of coefficient of earth's pressure, there are three conditions. First one, when the wall or the backfill is at the rest. Second one is the active state, and third is the passive state. In case of earth pressure at rest, this is the formula for coefficient of earth pressure, which is K equals to 1 minus sine phi. This is the formula for the active state, and second one is formula for the passive state. In the active state, the numerator sign is minus, and in case of passive state, numerator sign is plus. This is only difference between active and passive state coefficient of earth pressure. Second condition is, in case of earth pressure at rest, wall and backfill both are at the rest condition. And if both are at the rest condition, then here yielding condition is 0 and strain is also 0. In the second active state, backfill is active, and if backfill is active, then wall move away from backfill. Wall move away from backfill, and because of that, here the strain is 0.2 to 0.5%. Then second one, passive state. In case of passive, here wall is active, but in case of active state, backfill is active. Okay, but if wall is active, then wall is moved towards the backfill, and because of wall movement towards the backfill, here the strain is more than the active state. Here in case of passive state, the strain is 2 to 15%. Then third condition, which is related to angle. Angle of failure plane with horizontal. Here horizontal is nothing but major principal plane. Major principal plane. So angle for failure plane with the horizontal plane is 45 plus phi by 2. And the second condition for the passive state is failure plane with the vertical. Here in case of passive state, vertical plane is major principal plane. Okay, so angle with the failure plane and vertical plane is 45 minus phi by 2. Okay, so this is the condition about the active and passive state and earth pressure at the rest. Then next, in the question they ask about the maximum depth of unsupported excavation. So for that maximum depth of unsupported excavation, first we'll discuss about the formulas for the active earth pressure. So this is the formula, which is Pa is equals to K sigma V minus 2C square root of K. Here in the previous slide I discussed about the horizontal plane. In case of active state, horizontal plane is a major principal stress. So here sigma h value is present, but in case of active state, sigma v value is 0. So here the condition is sigma v is equals to 0. So Pa is equals to minus 2c square root of K. So this is about the active earth pressure, because here the horizontal plane means major principal plane in case of vertical direction is 0. Then next, depth of tension crack, ZC. we represent the depth of tension crack as ZC, because the tension crack is present at the particular depth, and that particular depth is measured with the help of ZC, and formula is in terms of cohesion, unit weight, and coefficient of active earth pressure. So ZC is equals to 2C divided by gamma square root of K. And here the last one is maximum depth of unsupported excavation. So maximum depth of unsupported excavation is nothing but twice of depth of tension crack. So HC is equals to twice of ZC. So HC is equals to 4C divided by gamma square root of K. So this is all about the maximum depth of unsupported excavation and all the three conditions related to coefficient of earth pressure. Okay, so this is all about for this video, and thank you for watching.